Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From the algorithms that curate our social media feeds to the voice assistants that manage our schedules, AI is rapidly reshaping how we live, work, and interact with the world. While the benefits of AI are undeniable, its growing presence also stirs a mix of excitement and fear. Yet, amidst this excitement, there is an essential factor that is often overlooked: the human element. The book Human Leadership for Humane Technology, the new artificial intelligence, AI agency ignited seeks to bring this critical issue into the spotlight. The book challenges readers to look beyond the allure of technological solutions and to recognize that, for AI to truly benefit humanity, we must consciously prioritize human values and agency. At its core, the book's argument is simple yet profound. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a reflection of us. It mirrors the best and worst aspects of human nature. When we train AI systems with data infused with biases, inequality, and greed, the technology will amplify those negative traits, leading to potentially harmful consequences. This concept is encapsulated in the phrase, garbage in, garbage out, GIGO. Just like a computer program produces faulty results when it processes faulty input, AI will replicate and worsen societal problems if not rooted in human values. However, the book also introduces a hopeful counterpart to GIGO: values in, values out, VIVO. If AI systems are trained using data that reflects humanity's highest ideals, such as equity, justice, and well-being, AI can become a transformative force for good. The technology can help address global challenges and improve the quality of life for individuals and communities alike. Human Leadership for Humane Technology goes beyond theoretical discussions, offering readers a tangible framework for action. This framework is grounded in what the author calls the POSE paradigm, which stands for perspective, optimization, zeniths, and exposure. POSE is a transdisciplinary approach to understanding the complex interactions between individual and collective human behaviors. It emphasizes the role of human agency, the capacity to act in alignment with one's values, in shaping a future where AI becomes an ally to humanity, rather than a detractor. The book's emphasis on human agency weaves throughout its structure. The book lays the groundwork by exploring the dimensions of human existence. It breaks down these dimensions into twice four categories: personal aspirations, emotions, thoughts, and sensations, and collective experiences as individuals participate in communities, countries, and the broader planet. These dimensions operate on four levels: micro, meso, macro, and meta, and understanding their interplay is the first step toward achieving well-being in both offline and online environments. The book delves into the complex relationship between natural and artificial intelligence in this increasingly hybrid world. It explores how AI and human intelligence can coexist and complement each other, highlighting the opportunities and challenges this coexistence brings. The book takes a more personal turn by presenting a series of essays from individuals across various fields. These essays offer a glimpse into the real-world experiences of people navigating the AI-infused landscape. By showcasing diverse voices and perspectives, this section underscores the importance of including a wide range of experiences in discussions about the future of AI. Moreover, the book wraps up by providing practical examples of prosocial AI, systems that are designed to bring out the best in humanity and contribute positively to the planet. Prosocial AI represents a forward-thinking approach to AI development. It involves creating AI systems that are carefully tailored, trained, tested, and targeted to align with human values and needs. The book gives concrete examples of prosocial AI in action. These include wearable devices that help people align their aspirations with their actions, as well as intelligent tutoring systems that not only personalize learning experiences, but also foster a balanced integration of natural and artificial intelligence. Other examples include transdisciplinary real-time accounting systems that track and optimize the interactions between personal and collective experiences at all levels, and hubs where like-minded thinkers and practitioners collaborate on prosocial AI applications. Each example demonstrates how AI can be harnessed to enhance human potential, promote holistic well-being, and serve the common good, all while respecting the environment. The concept of prosocial AI is the central takeaway from the book. It suggests that AI can be a tool for enhancing human capabilities, fostering holistic health, and contributing to the common good. By promoting AI systems that are aligned with human values and designed to benefit both people and the planet, the book offers a vision of AI that is not only technologically advanced but also ethically grounded. In a notable decision, the author of Human Leadership for Humane Technology chose to write the book without the assistance of AI tools like ChatGPT. While acknowledging the allure of using AI as a convenient pocket servant to handle much of the legwork, the author opted to maintain ownership of the final creation. This decision was a deliberate effort to experience the creative flow inherent in writing. It also serves as a reminder that, in an age where machines increasingly dominate, it is more important than ever to nurture and celebrate uniquely human traits such as creativity, critical thinking, and moral reasoning. Despite its optimistic view of AI's potential, the book does not shy away from addressing the risks associated with the technology. It tackles issues such as bias, inequality, and misuse, emphasizing the need for robust ethical frameworks, inclusive policymaking, and human-centered design. The book advocates for a responsible approach to AI development, one that prioritizes human well-being and promotes social equity. Ultimately, Human Leadership for Humane Technology serves as a call to action. It urges readers to take responsibility for shaping the future of AI, ensuring that it is used to create a more just, equitable, and sustainable world. The book reminds us that the future of AI is not predetermined. Rather, it is a future that we, as humans, have the power to shape. Through conscious effort and intentionality, we can ensure that AI becomes a tool for positive change, benefiting not only the present generation but also future ones. In conclusion, AI's rapid integration into our lives presents both immense opportunities and significant challenges. As we continue to develop and deploy these technologies, we must not lose sight of the human element. By prioritizing human values, fostering creativity, and promoting ethical AI development, we can harness the power of AI to build a future that benefits all of humanity. Human Leadership for Humane Technology offers a compelling framework for achieving this goal, emphasizing that the future of artificial intelligence, AI, and the world it shapes, lies in our hands.